everyone. This is me, Garuda, and I have a smile. Who is holding the camera? Well, hi, Smile. Say hello. Well, just to give you a hint, we hate surprises, really. We always ended up arguing to each other. That is how sweet we are. Medyo lasing now. Well, to start off, let me show you this. Let me show you the things that I have done and things that I have prepared during her nap time. Ooh. First one is the props. Well, I used a couple of, bond and red colored papers to greet her a happy 10th anniversary. It's a little bit messed up. Well, hey, you sleeping? It's a little bit messed up, but I think it's cute because of my own uniqueness in choosing the font style that I want. Look at this. It's, simple. Rock. Together with the message is the white balloon. Isa lang ang nagawa ko. Oh my gosh. Kasi ang hirap magpalobo, tsaka ayaw niya na daw. Ito yung balloon sana na palolobohin namin. Yan, diba? Sipag namin, diba? Sipag, no? Well, the next one is food. I have fried chicken here na pinupulutan namin. By the way, umiinom na nga pala ako. Kaya, ayan, medyo lasing-lasing na. And then, again, the food. What else? I cook one of her favorite foods and it's called adobong manok. Ito, paubos na rin. With lots of potatoes. We love potatoes, to tell you honestly. Nagagawan po kami sa patatas pag sabay kumakain. Well, we have the cake here. Flavor is, what do you call this? Black Forest. There you go, the number 10. That obviously states that we are celebrating the same kind of event every year for the 10th time. And that is our anniversary. Ano pa ba meron dito sa ano? Ito, garlic shrimp. And garlic shrimp. Tama. Okay. Pakita ko ulit Happy 10th anniversary. And she is drunk na. There you go. Let me show you the things that I have done upstairs. See? Sipag ni Smile. Tulog, oh. Bait, diba? Alright. Let me show you the things that we have on here. Ooh, Alright, there you go. It's cute. Well, we have the stuffed toys here. Dogs, her favorite. But not me. Because that is my greatest fear. Don't you know that? But, no worries. I'm learning to love them gradually, step by step. Look at them. They are so cute. Oh my god, I guess he wants to bite me. Well, other side is actually a composition of petals. So, gumawa ako ng heart. There you go. It's a heart shape, diba? And then, actually, hindi siya mahilig sa flowers. It's either hinahampas niya sa akin or tinatapon niya. I don't know. Napaka-sweet niya, diba? So, ito na lang ang bibigay ko sa kanya. Nakita ko lang dun sa may kasama ng mga petals. Well, pwede na siguro to. So, ito yung stuffed toys. Kasi, sobrang favorite niya ang dogs. Super. And then, the ring. Isa rin sa mga tinatapon niya palagi. Bait, diba? Yay! Ay, I'm so tired na. I guess, I think we have to blow the candles. Diba? Okay. Baba uli ako. Dun, 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 dun. Sing a song. Hey! Yan. Ganyan ko muna. Habang ako ay si Cindy ng cake. Tada! Ano ba to?
Ano kalokohan yan?
Ah, happy birthday to you. Birthday? Oh my God, patayaw. Why is it not working? There you go. Let's blow. Tara. Lapit ka dito. Ito na po yung cake. Lapit ka.
Saan ka?
Ito ang cake. Yay! Yay! Okay. Magka-count kami ng 3. And then, i-blow namin.
Ang layo.
Ay, lasing ako eh. Game. 1, 2, 3. Happy 10th anniversary! Woo! So drunk.